Hi everyone, today I'm going to be filming an unboxing of Impressions Vanity Mirror. I got the Hollywood Glow mirror in black and it's non-dimmable. I think the price was around $179 with a 10% discount. I got it under the clearance section on the website. I ordered it on June 27th and it didn't come in until July 11th. So that kind of gives you like an estimate of how long. It was about 2 weeks for it to ship and come in. Shipping costed around $26 or $27. So in total, I think the mirror was about $200. And yeah, so today I'm going to be unboxing the mirror that I got in black. I didn't really know if I should go with the frosted bulbs or the glass bulbs. I like the look of the clear LED bulbs, so those are the ones I went with, but I know they're known to break, so I'm hoping that nothing is broken. I don't really have a setup of where I want to put it because I'm gonna be bringing it to my apartment when I move in, so I'm just gonna unbox it, make sure nothing's broken, none of the light bulbs broke or don't work. So let's get started. So like I said, I don't really have anywhere here to set it up. So I'm just going to be unboxing it and showing you guys what it looks like. Everything out. It comes with 10 light bulbs. I'm a little nervous because they packaged these ones on the bottom, so I'm hoping they didn't break because the mirror was like sitting on top of them. And let me see, 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So yeah, I got exactly the amount of light bulbs that comes on the mirror, and I've heard of people getting some extra ones, so hopefully none of them are broken. And this is the stand that it comes on, so I'm guessing we need to screw this in here. Oh, and those are the screws. Okay, so now I have it up on the stand. It was a little difficult to screw in. I would definitely recommend a screwdriver. That's what the directions say as well. So definitely have a screwdriver handy if you're setting up your vanity.